This presentation has been put together by Claire Adeney, Peter Whitlock, Jake Dean, Neha Subudi, Sam Hansen, and is being presented to you by Sam Hansen. Hello, board members. We have made great progress in our current investment project in China. Our collapsible grocery carts are almost ready to enter into the production phase. We will be laying out the plans that we have in place for production and distribution of the product, as well as the considerations that have gone into getting the product ready for shipping. As a quick reminder about the product, we are planning to make a collapsible grocery cart that can fit inside of a backpack for easy transport. In China, when you go shopping, you must pay for bags, and the shopping cart would eliminate this cost while improving the shopping experience by making things easier to move around while shopping. Carts can be purchased in China, but many are bulky and are of inferior quality in many cases. Our cart will be more durable than the competition while collapsing into a smaller form factor and doing this all while offering a large amount of storage space when in use. This will eliminate the need to reuse bags at the market or buy ones while there and make the shopping experience far more enjoyable for our customers. Some of the risks that we will be assuming by setting up our own manufacturing hub in China include needing to train workers on how to manufacture and assemble the carts, possible closure of the factory because of government intervention, as China's government is communist and doesn't always respect private property rights. The other difficulty is that we could also have problems with management teams there, as while they can help resolve issues and keep the factory running as optimally as possible, they also will be an overhead cost that we will have to take into consideration. Some of the pluses that come with running the factory ourselves come from the fact that we can change manufacturing processes easily and add in new product lines or make product changes without having to go through a different manufacturer and change those product lines in a roundabout way. We will have much better handle on the quality of our products as well, as we will have full control over the factory and the quality control standards that are in place there. And if we contract out to another manufacturer to make our products, we will not have as detailed of a quality control system in place, as we will be almost fully dependent on their quality control system to take care of defective products before they leave the line. The target demographic that we will be going after is the urban centers of the Chinese market. This is the place in China that have a large enough market and population to really see the benefits of the collapsible cart that we will be making. And as our cart can become small enough to fit into a backpack, it will be easy to transport to those markets as well, without getting in the person's way or in other people's way on their way there. The kind of people we want to target are those busy with work and that don't have a lot of time to waste carrying bags while shopping. These people also need to be as efficient as possible, and the cart will help them address that struggle in their lives by making shopping much more efficient. Our temporary competitive advantage is that our cart is sturdy, long-lasting, and easily transportable. These advantages are easy to reverse engineer, so there's a large chance that we will have to deal with copycat products that mimic ours. But since most of the current manufacturers of carts in China choose low-quality parts, the strong and long-lasting part would be much more difficult for them to encroach upon without significantly increasing the prices of their carts. We will implement patents on our products that will help protect them from copycats, but that will be hard to enforce in all situations. The name that we have chosen for our product is Rugged Movers. We hope that this name will speak to the long-lasting quality of our product and should translate translate well into Chinese while retaining the meaning that we want. Our logo will be a simple cart. The logo can be seen on the right side of this slide. Some renders of other carts on the market can be seen here. An early render of our cart can be seen on the right side of the slide. And the collapsible nature of the cart can be seen in full display on the picture. We are sourcing a vast majority of our materials from local Chinese companies, and will be doing so to avoid tariffs and reduce transportation costs of materials. We will, however, be purchasing our powder coating materials and equipment from Japan, as the company there has an excellent track record of high quality powder coating materials and equipment. And its proximity to China also helps keep the transportation costs down. To advertise in China, it is best to keep to printed media and the internet. This is because the broadcast media, such as TV and radio, in the country are so tightly controlled by the government that it is almost impossible to effectively advertise in these areas. The internet can also be somewhat tricky to advertise on, but the restrictions there are more relaxed than the other two. Because of the way that print media works, it is easy to make the printed media, such as pamphlets, and then transform them over to a marketable internet advertisement without too much difficulty. This slide shows some of the prices of collapsible carts, and we will be using this pricing structure to determine our own pricing in China. We will be pricing our product a little above parity when compared to our competition. This is because of the higher quality product that we will be selling and the innovative nature of the collapsible cart with its small carry size when not in use, but its large capacity when in use. We will produce the product in China to avoid import costs and capitalize on a lower cost of production. The higher price of the cart will also be because of the higher advertising costs that we will incur because we have low brand presence in China at the moment. Our selling strategy will rely on advertising the product on the internet, as well as using pamphlets, and also using product placement at the entrances of markets and pop placement at end caps of the market so that our product can draw as much attention as possible to the people walking around the marketplaces. We will also be partnering with local wholesale companies to distribute the carts to retailers. The company will be represented to wholesalers by the sales team, and they will help monitor the progress of sales and help maintain healthy relationships throughout the sales chain of the product. This will help with customer service and help keep the company's standards intact. Some of the downsides are that we will have more oversight, and that means lower product profit margins because of the increased costs that come with this oversight. There may even be some lost sales if wholesalers can't get company approval to sell to some retailers. We're looking forward to selling this product soon, and we also look forward to hear your feedback on the product as well as the selling strategies that we've talked about today.